I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating thanks to all the rumors you. So they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying.
Alright, so I just ran a welding wire, and so I figured before I hit the store I'd give you a quick update on this. So we've got both sides are exactly the same now. I still gotta trim the tags off here, trim these a bit so they look proper, and then I'll have to come up with a mount that for the lower control arm that goes off of here. I'll have to go and grab some of my square stock to cut with the plasma and make something. Otherwise going pretty good. Just finished welding the top parts, welding the bottom. That's why I've got it up on the sawhorse here, so I can get under it easier, so I can fully weld right around it. And yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Okay, I've got the wheels on, everything's all welded up. Just gotta make one more bracket for the rear here, but that will be probably tomorrow. I think I'm gonna hit everything with some paint. I'm gonna pull all this stuff off again and hit it with some paint. Anyways, one issue that I've been noticing is this knuckle here is broken, and it actually is twisted a little bit. I didn't think it was twisted, but it is. As well as this shock mount that I'm using to hold the ball joint in and whatnot, it's also twisted. So it's kind of holding this kind of forward more than it should be. So I'll have to order a new knuckle and probably have to buy a new shock as well, which is unfortunate because I'll just be cutting it up. But I'll just see if I can find a super cheap one.
You miss having me around, gave you chances and you blew it. You so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
reasons for this swap are, we'll start with the front wheels. So let's show you what was on there. So this is what was on there, and I didn't show this very much. I tried to avoid showing it in the videos, but these wheels are not meant for these spindles. As you can see, this has all been cut, and then it was measured and made to go on there. And it's very straight on there. It's the wheel doesn't bounce up and down or anything. It was measured out nicely, but it's just not nice. It's not pretty at all. And these spindles are from a like 1980s ATV, something quite small, I believe it was, like a 200 or something, like sport quad. So they're not meant to hold a whole lot of weight. Now we'll look at the control arms here. The control arms here came with that same ATV. So this is a better look at the spindle here, and it has a disc brake, but I don't know where I'd find a caliper for that, and then it's such a tiny little caliper, it would get pretty hot pretty fast if I was trying to stop this buggy. The control arms, I cut them and extended them because they're way too small to begin with. The bushings are all worn out. These were also, I made a jig when I put these together, and somehow, I don't think it's this side, I think it's the other side, it turned out to be just kind of tweaked to one side, and so it caused a lot of binding issues, as well as I didn't know at the time that you needed the proper, like the distances needed to be properly measured. Otherwise you'd have binding issues, and it would not, you'd have a lot of bump steer, and so that was pretty bad with this setup. So aside from all of this, and the ball joints and stuff are quite worn out in this. Anyway, so aside from all that, this setup, basically, if I want to go and replace something on here, like I say, this ball joint gets worn out, this is from a early 2000 Honda CR-V, this control arm, and these are super cheap to buy. I believe I got the two of them for like $40. They're super cheap. Then the lower control arms are 2002 Chevy Impala, as well as this, the whole knuckle, bearing, everything assembly here. That's all 2002 Chevy Impala. Now, one of the other huge benefits is this gives me a very common bolt pattern, 5x114. Now with that 5x114 bolt pattern, that means that the front is now the same bolt pattern as the rear. So that makes it super easy to keep everything all nice. Plus, these bearings are very nice. This whole front end is actually overkill for the size of this buggy. Like it's built way too strong for it. These parts are gonna last very long, so that's definitely a good thing. The bearings move very nicely. The other thing is, from the car that I got this from, I also got the calipers and the disc, like the whole disc brake setup I got. It's pretty heavy, so I didn't actually put it on here. So I was thinking maybe I'd find something smaller, but it like the mounts are right here, super easy to hook something up on there. And then I've got front brakes as well, if I decide to run front brakes later on.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do
truth, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting